This is almost identical. I don't know why I'm the one who made it the sheet, but I probably would have made this example 3 if I'd been thinking about it, because it's basically the same idea, it's just easier. You'll notice that this side is congruent to this side, and this side is congruent to that side. And that's the requirement in both the hinge theorem and the converse of the hinge theorem with 2 congruent sides. I can see that 12 is bigger than 10, which means that 54 is bigger angle, and 4x minus 18 is a smaller angle. Again, this is the converse of the hinge theorem if you want to get really technical about it. If you know the sides, actually given side measures, you can tell the angle measures size relationship. All right, that's the converse of the hinge theorem. So if this is the smaller angle, that's the bigger angle. That means 4x minus 18 is less than 54. My preference is the x object on the left. So if the bigger had been the x object, I would have said the x object is bigger than whatever. So, but again, I like the x object on the left in inequality. So 4x minus 18 is smaller than the bigger number 54. That's a less than. And then we simply solve this, and we're going to move the 18 over. So 4x must be less than 72. Divided by 4, divided by 4. X must be less than 18. In the book, a couple times they use the phrase, find the range of values of x. That's a range of values, as long as x is less than 18. Now, one extra thing, and I circled it already, I probably shouldn't have yet. The smallest that angle measure could be would be 0, right? 4x minus 18 can't be less than 0. So I should also, in this problem, consider that 4x minus 18 must be greater than 0. If I move the 18 to the other side, I'm going to get 4x is greater than 18, so divide by 4, divide by 4. X must be greater than 4.5. So if I'm writing the answer out in correct form here, x less than 18 fits the hinge theorem rule. This is the, I can't have an angle less than 0 degrees in a picture rule. So 4.5 is less than x is less than 18. Both of these answers lead to this answer. And again, look how I wrote it. This says x is greater than 4.5. This is saying x is greater than 4.5. X is in between 4.5 and 18. Anytime you want to say in between, something's in between two things, you simply put the smallest value is less than x is less than the biggest value. That's how you say in between, using inequalities. Always use less thans, never ever use greater thans. And I say that every year. Been doing this for 28 years, and I've got 22 students, U5 in the 17 in the class. I guarantee 3 or 4 of you are going to put greater thans in that expression. So be careful that you always use less thans. Believe your teacher, I promise you, I'm not lying. It's always less than. Small number less than x less than big number. Okay, so there you go.